The weather. Vocabulary. The weather is supposed to be nice this weekend. It won't be possible to do outdoor activities with this weather. Because of the stormy weather, the children must play indoors only. Florida's sunny weather makes it the perfect place to go on a vacation. Cloudy. Rainy. Drizzle. Thunder. Sunny. Mild weather. Warm weather. Hot. Windy. Avalanche. Hurricane. Cyclone. Snowfall. Storm. Lightning. Hail. Practice your English with sentences. The day was sunny and mild, a perfect day for riding. The rain seems less heavy. The rain seems less heavy. We are having beautiful weather today. We are having beautiful weather today. I wish we had sunny weather all year round. The weather is unpredictable around here. We can expect rainy weather tomorrow. There was a change in the weather forecast. Rain, drizzle, downpour, flood. Wind, breeze, blustery, windy, gale. Forecast, drought, rainbow.